Good morning and welcome to our Foundation Stage and Key Stage 1 Celebration Assembly. It's lovely to see you all here, just having a cup of tea in the staff room. But before we start, I hope you've all had a nice half-term break. And obviously you've been working hard this week as well and enjoying the warmer weather at the moment. But before I start, I think I need to go back to my office to make sure I can find attendance Ted and punctuality pup ready for our assembly. Right. Oh, this isn't my office. Oh, there we go. Right, back in my office now, ready for our assembly. Okay, so let's start with our attendance winner for this week for Foundation Stage. Well, it's even better this week. It's very close. So well done to all those children who have been attending their Zoom lessons and also those in our Key Worker provision. And this week, our winners for attendance, Ted, are Class RA. Well done to all of you in Class RA. Really good attendance. Keep up the good work. So all of your teachers have been telling me again about all of the great learning you've been doing this week at home and at school. So well done to you. So let's start with our Foundation Stage winners for this week. I hope you've really enjoyed learning about Harry's dinosaurs this week. Seen lots of fantastic learning, so well done to you. Right, in Rainbow class, we have Gulia for helping her friend to do up her coat and for using more English words in the classroom. Well done to you. Really good perseverance there. Keep it up. In Alien class, we have Ronnie for fantastic independent maths learning while they're doing their learning at home. Fantastic, well done. In Dragon class, we have Eli for always having great enthusiasm for all of their learning. Well done to you, Eli. And in Pirate class, we have Noah for a very positive return to Pirate class. Well done, Noah. Keep up the good work. And finally, in Dinosaur class this week, your learner of the week is Poppy for a fantastic effort when identifying 2D shapes during doing your learning from home. Well done, Poppy. Great work. Keep it up. Right, so we'll move to our attendance for Key Stage 1. Your attendance winner this week is Class 2B. Well done to all of you in 2B. Give yourselves a big clap. Fantastic attendance. Keep up the good work. Let's see who our Key Stage 1 winners are. I know in Year 1 you've been doing lots of learning about the book Going on a Bear Hunt. So well done. Seen great pictures of bears and things coming from your home learning and in class. Well done. And in Year 2 you've been enjoying learning all about the owl who's afraid of the dark and about nocturnal animals. So I look forward to seeing more of that learning as we move into the next few weeks. So let's start with our Year 1 Learners of the Week. In Class 1A, we have Olivia for some really good home learning this week and putting lots of effort in. Well done to you, Olivia. Good job. In Class 1B, we have David for always trying his hardest in all aspects of his learning. Well done, David. Keep up the good work. In Class 1C, we have Delilah for her incredible writing about the old bear story. Well done, Delilah. In Class 1D, we have Aurora for working really hard and being really kind. Well done to you, Aurora. Keep up the good work. Okay, so in Class 2A, we have Abby for always trying her best and challenging herself to exceed in all of her work at home during her Zoom lessons. So well done to you, Abby. In Class 2B, your learner of the week is Charlie. Well done, Charlie, for showing some excellent perseverance with his maths home learning. Good job, Charlie. Keep up the good work. In Class 2C, we have Emerson for his fantastic understanding of adverbs in English this week. Well done to you, Emerson. And finally, in Class 2D, We have Mason for always working extremely hard and contributing to all of your lessons. Good job, Mason. Really good to hear. Okay, so they're all our learners of the week for this week. Well done to all of you. What fantastic achievements. And everyone else, keep working hard, trying your best, and I'm sure in the coming weeks and months, you might achieve your learner of the week. So, about to leave, but before I do, make sure that you keep working hard, listening to your teachers if you're in school, and also your teachers if you're at home, working together to do as best you can. Right, I will see you later. I will see you all soon. Take care and stay safe. Bye!